Hi, in this video, we will walk you through how to use the auction.com property listing scraper on a pay per event basis. The benefit of this scraper is you can scrape as much or as little property data as you like and only pay for what you use. So it's 50 cents to start and a penny per each property. So at 100 properties, it's just about $1.50. 500 properties, about $5.50. This was built for real estate investors to save time, be able to be alerted of new properties that hit your buy box, and stay on top of all the auctions on auction.com. It is simply the easiest way to get data out of auction.com. So we'll show you how to get started. You'll go ahead and press try for free, and then this will bring you to an area here that may have an empty URL like this. If you're on a free plan, meaning you do not currently pay for Appify, you will have some free trial credits from Appify, allowing you to try this for free. Note that when you are in this situation, your max items you can scrape per time is 100. So if you go above that, it will not work. But let's go ahead and get started. So it's super easy. For here, I'm going to go Chicago, Illinois. It's an area that I've been looking for properties for some time. Looks like there's about 202 properties. I'll go ahead and put in 3-bed, 2-bath because that's my buy box. And it looks like 138 properties. Awesome. You can go ahead and continue to filter, but all you need is this URL. You've got this URL, just pop it right in here and press start and save. Now this will get going. It takes about a minute to 2, sometimes longer if you're scraping more data. But you can just move on from this page. I'll show you a bit more about what you can do though in the meantime while it scrapes. So you can actually schedule this to run every single day so that you can stay on top of all of the latest changes on auction.com. Say if you want to do every single day, you just do here every day in the time zone that you're looking to have it scraped. And that's all you have to do. So I'll go ahead and create that. Oh, I already have one. So the next thing that you can do is have integrations, which is really handy. For me, I like to have all of my listings scraped in my inbox every single morning. So I use send results via Gmail. So this takes the results that you scraped and puts it right into your inbox. So you can always stay on top of your data. If you want to add it to a Google Sheet, you can do so, Airtable, Slack, or maybe you're a little bit more advanced and you're using something like Make or Zapier to power more of an integration for one of your automations. All of that's super simple to do. And every time that you schedule this to run, it will automatically push the data there. So as we can see here, we're watching it going and it's scrolling, it's pulled in 97. It's going to continue working. And I'll just go ahead and show you some sample data here. We've got the data here, it's all output, and what you're able to do, I believe this is a little bit less because we already have a data set up. But what you can do is export this to a CSV or an Excel file. We'll do Excel because that's super easy. You can either do overview or all fields. I'll go ahead and just do overview. This will go ahead and be added into my Excel file. So the cool thing here is so right here, you can see all of the listings, the URL, the address, the county, Chicago, the municipality, the zip code, the bed, bath, square footage, all of the stuff that you would care about. The opening bid, what's the estimated resale value. So this data can be filtered and used to show you exactly what you need, and you can really save time here, only going after the stuff that you care about. So this is how to use the auction.com property scraper. If there's any other scrapers you'd like us to build, please don't hesitate to reach out. We wish you the best and hope you enjoy this. Thanks so much.